I remember being 22 years of age, being on my ass, and I went to go and live in Paris. Couldn't speak a word of French, refusing to take time off because we had no money to spend. And then I became so fluent in French that when I got my first French girlfriend, she wanted to know what area of France I come from, and so I could learn so much quicker.
Having dinner with Chef Ramsay, I am absolutely blown away. I can't believe that I'm here right now. I've never even been on a yacht. This feels like an absolute dream to me right now. It doesn't feel real.
And then you get your first promotion, and then all of a sudden you got a bit of money to go and eat out. But it's no different to what you guys are in. You know, this is an experience of a lifetime, but give it your all.
This, so far, has been one of the absolute best experiences of my life, being on a yacht with Chef Ramsay. And not only that, spending with the red team, because guess what? 20s, baby, we getting this W all the time.
20-something.
20s.
20s.